Hey, I'm Kelly, aka Socalhodaka. Recently I took a visit to the Californiahodaka shop where Greg showed me a new upgraded bushing for the side case shifter. Let's take a look.
Okay, today we're going to rebush a shift case. Same procedure will be used for the early shift case or the later shift case, 1 down, 4 up. These are the repair bushings that you can get to rebush them, and then here's a bushing that we came up with that is a lot more robust. And to see why this is a little better setup is these wear crooked through the case, so it's real hard to straighten it out with only a 2 millimeter bigger hole for the original repair bushings. So we're going to meet over at the mill and show you what we do to install this bushing. Along with this bushing, you can use the old shift shafts, and you're going to have a little more meat to where that shaft is going to be able to stay aligned and wear straight for much longer. Now that we've got the cover plate mounted to the mill and centered, we have 3 steps that we're going to end up drilling down through that bore. We're going to start out with a end mill, and we're going to go with a regular high-speed drill bit, and then we're going to ream it. And once we go to the ream, we'll slow it way down, and that'll give us a nice press fit for the bushing. And this will be the final procedure, and we slowed it down, and we're going to force it in there pretty quick. That'll keep it from oversizing the hole. All right, now we're ready to press in the bushing. We have a little alignment mark, which is by eyeball, with our pinhole. So hopefully we get that pretty close. And it just starts in, and then the rest is press fit with the old arbor press here. And it's just a nice, even, nice press. And flush that out. Check it out, and then you have a rebuilt shifter. Okay, we're going to be using the original shift shaft, and now you'll see with the bushing in there, it's going to give it new life. And you're going to have about 1/1000 play, and that's what you need for the grease, and then you go ahead and put your shifter back together. Okay, here's a couple examples of the work when they're finished. This is a raw aluminum color with a new dust shield and parts. And here's one that's been painted, so we can leave it either way, raw or paint them for you. We could also exchange them. And then some of the parts are new here that you see. Some of them are replated, and some are NOS parts. And that's about the size of it.